Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Sam's Club login problems, account and card errors step by step clearly. First, confirm you are using the official Sam's Club app or the correct website and not a copied link. Check your internet connection by opening another trusted site. Then switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test. Close the app or browser completely. Then reopen it to remove temporary glitches. Make sure your phone date and time are set to automatic, because incorrect time can block secure login. Update the Sam's Club app from the App Store or Google Play to get the latest fixes. If you use a browser, update the browser to the newest version for better compatibility. Clear the app cache in your phone settings, because corrupted cache can cause sign-in loops. If you are on a browser, clear cookies and cached files for Sam's Club. Then restart the browser. Turn off any VPN, proxy, or ad blocker temporarily, because they can trigger security blocks. Try logging in using a different method, such as switching from app to browser or from browser to app. Double-check that your email address is typed correctly and has no extra spaces at the beginning or end. If you forgot your password, use the Forgot Password option and reset it using the email link. Create a new strong password, then store it safely and avoid reusing old passwords. If the reset email does not arrive, check spam and promotions folders, then request the email again. Verify that your account is not locked by too many attempts. Then wait 15 to 30 minutes and try again. If you get a verification code error, request a new code and make sure you enter the latest one only. Confirm your phone number and email on the account are current, because outdated info can block verification. If you see an account not found message, try the other email you may have used when registering. If you recently changed your email, attempt login with the old email and follow prompts to update it. For membership card errors, open the Sam's Club app and go to your digital membership card screen. Check that your membership status is active, because expired memberships can cause card and login issues. If your card number is not recognized, re-enter it carefully and match the name exactly as on the account. If the system says the card is already linked, sign in with the original account or contact support to unlink it. If you have a new card or renewed membership, sign out, sign back in, and refresh the digital card page. Disable autofill temporarily and type credentials manually, because autofill can insert wrong characters. Try a different device to confirm whether the issue is your phone or the account itself. If none of these steps work, contact Sam's Club Member Services with your membership number and the exact error message. When support responds, follow their instructions. Then test login again and confirm your digital card loads correctly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.